Hey folks, thanks so much for pushing the play button. I'm sitting here having tea with Susan from New American Funding. Thank you so much for meeting with me today.
Absolutely.
Yes, and we were sitting here talking about reverse mortgages, and I was hoping she could shed some light on a few things for us. So, first of all, Susan, can you tell us what is a reverse mortgage?
So a reverse mortgage is basically pulling some of the equity out of your house. You're actually borrowing the equity. Without having a payment, a principal or interest payment, you still have to pay your taxes and insurance. So you're loaning money from the equity.
Okay, all right, good. So, who is a reverse mortgage for? Who's the ideal client?
Great question. At least one of the borrowers has to be 62. There can be another person on the loan that is not 62, but at least one person has to be.
All right, and then what are some of the major benefits of having a reverse mortgage?
So, not having a house payment for the rest of your life, that's the big one.
That's a good one.
Um, just sometimes, if you have enough equity created, you can create a credit line and you can draw from that credit line like income.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then on the opposite side of that, what are some of the biggest misconceptions about reverse mortgages?
Yeah, so some of the big misconceptions, I think number one is people think that the bank owns your home. You remain on title. It's no different than having a traditional mortgage. You are on title. The lender is on the deed, just like with a traditional mortgage. The other thing would be the house goes back to the bank or the lender after the borrowers are gone. That is not true. It goes to whoever the borrower's heirs were, whoever is willed the property or it's in a trust to.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
Yeah.
All right. So that's some really good information. If you folks have more questions about reverse mortgages and just need a little more information, what is the best way to reach you, Susan?
I'll just put my cell number out there. It's 702-525-7774. A phone call is always the best. I always return my phone calls. If I miss a call, I'll get back with you.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you. Thanks so much for taking the time to explain that.
Thank you so much.
All
I
right.
appreciate your time.
Yes, you're welcome.